Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Mwaka the Wifeprenuer. In today's video we are here to understand our YouTube studio or our YouTube analytics. So I'll share with you what to pay attention on, how to understand the algorithm, what works and what is not working for your channel. Welcome. So I'll just share my screen somewhere here so that you can see what I'm talking about and all that. We're going to use YouTube Studio today to understand our analytics, or to understand how our channel is performing, what is working and what is not working. So we are going to talk about things like click-through rate, impression. Now I am on my dashboard. There's nothing much to see, but just to see the number of subscribers, the watch time, the views and the subscriber change. But now I want to go on the side, on the menu button, and then go to analytics. So under analytics, it's where we are going to focus and pay attention. Okay, I want you to understand that the real-time views is just basically how many people are watching the video within the first 48 hours after you published the video. Okay, and then we can also see like the real-time views top videos. It shows how many videos or which videos perform the best during my 48 hours. And then down there it shows the watch hour, the subscribers, the views. All right, and also it shows my top video of this channel. So number one top video of this channel is how to sell ebooks on Instagram. So those are the my top videos for my channel. So those are the best videos that are performing for my channel. Now I want to go to reach. So reach is basically what literally happens from what people see your thumbnail and your title to convincing them to view your video. Okay, so this is where the importance of your thumbnail comes in. So impressions means it's how many times people saw your thumbnail. You know, how many times did people see your thumbnail for that specific video before they go ahead and read. And it's more clearer on a desktop, but I just wanted to use the phone so that we all have a basic understanding, because I know most of us are doing, or we are starting our YouTube channels using our cell phones, and perhaps you don't have a phone, but yeah, it's easier to understand your analytics using the phone. So it's basically the same. So like I said, impressions, how many times did someone see, or how many times did people see your thumbnail, right, before they clicked on it to watch it. So the impression doesn't necessarily mean that this is the number of times people have watched your video. It's just how many times they've seen your thumbnail, they haven't clicked on it or nothing. Okay, now the impression click-through rate, it's now what how many times people clicked on that thumbnail or on your video to watch your video. Okay, so impressions, on impression, it's so important. This is why I always say a thumbnail has to be really good. You have to convince someone that when they look at your thumbnail, they can just easily click on it to watch your videos. Okay, so after they've seen your thumbnail, then it's impression click-through rate. So mine is 4.5. so people get to see my thumbnail, but it's only 4.5% that actually clicks on the thumbnail to watch the video. And then under there, there's traffic sources, traffic types and traffic sources, top videos that are suggesting my content, YouTube, but I will not go into details with traffic sources and traffic external sources. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a detailed video or a dedicated video on traffic sources, because it's a whole different thing that you need to understand. It's quite deep, but not really deep, but I wouldn't want to incorporate it here because it will just bring confusion. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a video about traffic sources and external sources. So traffic sources is basically how people get to watch your video. Where do these people that come to watch your video come from, right? So that we can do in another video. Then also I wanted to it's the same, I think, about top video suggesting content. Your content, this is just videos that are on other people's channel or on your channel that are suggesting your videos to other viewers. Okay, that is just basically it. And then we go to engagement. Engagement is the first thing, is average view duration. Only means, literally means like, okay, how many minutes do people watch your videos. For playlists, it's important again to have playlists on your video, on your channel, especially if you're new, because this is how you want to keep viewers on your channel, so that you can get more watch hour, and so that YouTube can just boost or push your video, because now it will be like, okay, there are people that likes her content, so let me push the content to more people, right? Because the idea with YouTube, they just want you to keep people hooked on YouTube. So make use of end cards, make use of playlists. Okay, so the audience, this shows better on my computer screen and not here, but the top geographies is Namibia, and again it will show better on the desktop, but this shouldn't mean that you can't see more data. It's just more accurate on the screen, because you have an opportunity to filter by days and stuff like that. Also, this is where you can see how many people are watching, or how many people that are subscribed to your channel that are watching your videos, and how many are not watching your videos. So that is basically what analytics is. So now I just want us to look at one of my videos, so that we can see the analysis of how that video performed. So I'll go to videos. I'll go to videos. Okay, I'll try this video that I uploaded 6 months ago on how to make multiple links to your Instagram page. So we can see that it ranked number 3 of 10, and yeah, those are the average view and the duration. So the typical, okay, let's go to video analytics. I click on video analytics. Nothing much on real-time views. People didn't really watch it at the time. I didn't get any subscribers from there. In the last 3 days, there's only people that have watched it. Then we come to audience retention. Audience retention, this is the part where I want to share with you the difference, the importance of understanding your audience retention. Audience retention, in this case, this is what I'm talking about. Let me type on it. This is what I'm talking about audience retention. So this is how people basically watch your videos. When they start, they're all hyped up, everyone clicks on the video, they're there, but it depends now how much information, how hooked are they, what are you telling them that is keeping them to watch your videos. But you see that it keeps dropping from literally, maybe that is 80 or 90 something, it dropped until the end, where it's less than 25%. So that is just how people watch your videos. And the average duration of the whole video, guys, is about 10 minutes, or about almost 11 minutes. But the average view out of it, it's only 1 minute 48. Of all the people that have watched this video, they've only watched on average 1 minute of it. So if you want me to give you a detailed video on how this whole situation works, let me know in the comments, so that I can also educate you on how to deal with audience retention, or how to hook the audience. Because this part really, after they have, remember, we have the impressions, they have seen your thumbnail, then they clicked on it, that was clicked through, right? Now that they are watching, what are you saying in the beginning to the end? What are you saying that must keep these people on this channel, on your video, or continue watching your video? So let's go again. Let me try another recent video. Let's see which other video. Okay, 2 weeks ago. Let me look at this video. my solopreneur journey. It's one of the videos that performed the best, because we see that the real time one person watched it in the last 48 hours, and then the watch hours on this one is 4.0, and then the subscribers, I got about 3 subscribers from that video, 25 views, and the audience retention, this was the best. Just look at how it is. This means that people were hooked at around about above 75%, but you see those sharp arrows that goes to 150, almost. This means that these are the parts that got my viewers interested. They kept either repeating that part to go and rewatch it and understand it and so forth. This whole video was about 28 minutes 3 seconds, and people, my audience, could watch this at on average of 9%, on average of 9 minutes 40 seconds, which is 34.5%. So this is one of my best videos. I really love this video. Let me check one of the top videos again. One of my top videos, which is selling ebooks on Instagram. Real time 12 views, watch time 3.6, subscribers more than 5 people subscribed to that channel. And the same with audience retention. This video is about 5 minutes 21 seconds, but I could manage to keep people watching on average of 1 minute 28 seconds. So guys, that is how you understand your YouTube analytics. So basically you need to go to the app called Google. You need to just go on Google and look for the app called YouTube Studio. Then you just download it from there. And then you just put your email address. It will be able to help you track from anywhere. One thing I love about this YouTube Studio is you don't have to be on YouTube to reply to comments and also just engage with your community, because as you can see, like 2 hours ago, you see this post here about this video. This video was posted about over 6 months ago, but someone just asked me something about it, and this was their response, because the same minute they sent the question, I was able to respond just using YouTube Studio. And you see that they really appreciated it. It says, "Thank you so much for your prompt reply, blessed to you." So also that is one of the reasons why I prefer that you guys also make sure that you install YouTube Studio on your cell phones, because it helps you to engage with people and interact with people. And this, like this, when there's a possibility that they will subscribe to your channel because you are prompt and you are also giving value. So guys, in the meantime, while we are at it, I need you guys to watch these videos, this playlist on how to grow your YouTube. I'll see you over there.